Good morning, friends and neighbors. I am Sarah, your socially awkward seller, and it's about 7:35, and I am getting ready to get started. I have never worked so early or so long, like consistently over days, and since I've had my corporate job. Yeah. But this has been really good for me to get up and have the commitment of making the video every day, so I have to get started every morning. So thank you for pushing me to do this. So I only had 2 sales overnight, and let me look and see what they sold for, because honestly I don't remember. And I don't know if it dropped off because I didn't list anything yesterday, or if it's just a normal drop off, or I don't know. But anyway, at least I had 2 sales. I'll be grateful for that. This is an ultimate blender. There it is. And this comes with like a little food processor. That's kind of the base motor. And I picked this up for $5. So I got this blender. I got the food processor. And the food processor has these little individual bowls that fit down in them. So like you chop something, you can take that little bowl out, put another one in, and, chop something else. I bought all of it. There are 4 of those. I bought all of it for $5. I have sold 3 of the 4 bowls or 4 of the 4 bowls for $16.99 plus shipping. And I have sold the blender, the food processor part for somewhere in the neighborhood of $20, I think. And now I have sold the blender for $23.74. And this is plastic and it's pretty lightweight, so but they still pay $12 in shipping. That must be out west somewhere. The other thing that I sold was this lot of Beyblades, which are these battle top kind of things. And I've had these listed for quite a while. I bought these early in the summer for $5 at a yard sale. And they had the arena with them, but because of the dimensional shipping, the arena doesn't weigh much, but still by the time you get a box and everything, because of the size of it, it's over a pound. And because of the dimensional shipping, because the arena's about, like this one was about this big, about that big, about that big. No, the shipping is just not, conducive to reselling. So anyway, I ended up just listing these Beyblades, and they sold for $14.24, and that's it. So what I'm going to do is ship those 2 things. It won't take long. Take some steaks out of the freezer. Got to do that. And then I am going to set up my photo setup and get some photos taken. So I think I've got about 25 items I can take photos of right now and get those things listed. And that is like 24 on one store and 1 on the other. And then maybe I can go ahead and finish up. I think there are about 3 things on the floor right here that I haven't listed yet. There's 1 or 2 right there. So I do have a few things to list. I may run into the Goodwill, because it's right, like I can almost hit it with a rock if my arm was better and I was a professional league pitcher. I bet I could hit it. But I got to run out later to Aldi, which Holly and I affectionately call Aldi. I got to go to the Aldi and get some stuff to make salad tonight, because we're having steaks and salad. And since I'm already going to have my shoes on and my purse, and the car will be warm, I'm just going to stop at Goodwill and see if there's anything there that I should pick up. So that's kind of what my day looks like, and I will check back in with you in just a bit. All right, hi diddly ho there. It is 11:40 And I have listed around 30 items. And again, don't get too excited by that. That just means I took pictures of 30 items and uploaded them to the drafts. So it's not like I listed 30 things today. Not that good. But I did want to show you a couple of things that have sold this morning since I started listing. It always happens. You list some stuff starts to sell. The first thing is this toner. I just bought this. I just listed it last week, so I probably bought it just over a week ago. I don't remember, but I think this was $5. I think I paid $5 for this. I got an offer of $20 plus shipping. I took that, and it's actually just going about 20 minutes away, but I'm going to ship it. The other thing was this Oneida Nordic Crown Flatware set. There's 30 pieces here. I had this listed for $38.99. I got a $31 offer plus shipping, so I'll be taking that. I did take that. They've already paid. So I'm getting ready to ship my 4 items and go get my stuff done out the door and to the post office and to the grocery store and to the thrift store, and then get back and make dinner. What is for dinner tonight? Oh, yeah. Steak and salad. See, I told you about that memory. All right. You guys stick with me and you guys stick with me and I will be back with you in a bit. And as an aside, I just want to say, Andy, I need a haircut. I really need a haircut. So text me. Anyway, I'll be back in a little bit. Alrighty. It's almost 4 o'clock and I am going to be wrapping up my day here shortly. I got some dinner to start thinking about. Baked potatoes and making the salad and such. But I did pick up a few things and I want to show you what I got. I spent $46 at Goodwill and I bought this plasma ball. If you don't know what that is, that's like the glass ball that has the lightning inside when you touch it. That doesn't work. So I spent $5 on that. I'm gonna take that back probably tomorrow morning, and I'll just get something else. And but I will show you the few things that I bought. And there's another offer, but I'm gonna wait on that one. This is a set of ceiling fan arms, and I may just sell this part. I may sell the entire thing. I usually do pretty well with just this part. I paid $2.99 for this. I stand to sell this for somewhere in the $25 to $40 range, just depending on how I decide to do it. Excuse me. I bought these Steelers twin sheets, not seats, no, sheets. And they are licensed NFL. I paid $4.99 for these. I'm guessing I can get somewhere around 15 or 20, probably 20 for these. They are new in the package. Let's see what else. I picked up this new inbox. The box is kind of crap, but it's an AT&T Trimline phone. It is new. I paid $1.99 for it, and I'll probably get about $15 to $18 for that. Just a couple more things. I didn't pick up that much. These are Adorbs. Adorbs, I say. And I probably will keep these for us. They say wifey and hubby. And they were 99 cents each. They're Mainstays, which Mainstays I think is either Target or, no, I think that's Walmart. But they are really cute. So I have not bought mini mugs for resale probably in a few years. I usually will pick up the occasional Starbucks mug. It just depends on which one I find. But this was such a cute mug, I couldn't pass it up, and it's unique. it's not any, it's got a copyright signal on it, but symbol, use some words, but it doesn't have any markings on it. But it says, I got up with the groundhogs on February 2nd. Isn't that adorable? So I'll go ahead and get that listed. I don't know, $10 maybe, I don't know. I paid 99 cents for it. And then I bought another lot of flatware. Let's see what this is. This is Linux. It's a really pretty pattern too. And it's really nice. It looks new. And I got, get this back in there. I got this bag for $6.99. And I got this bag for $6.99. And I should do okay on these. I've not sold Linux, so I'm guessing based on the name Linux and the quality of these that I'm going to do okay. And then the final thing that I bought, I can't show you in the flesh, but I did take a picture and I'll put it right here. It is a child's drawing desk and stool, and I think it's got the paper roll as well. It is in the box. The box is open, and I'm going to put it together. I paid $9.99 for it, and I think I'm going to put it up on Facebook Marketplace for about $35, maybe $40. If I can find a comparable, that'll give me an idea of what it retails for, but I haven't found it yet. But yeah, it shouldn't take me too long to put that together, and then I will sell that locally. So pretty excited about that because that'll be a pretty good flip. So that's all I've got today. Was a productive day, and it's been a profitable day. So we'll just keep this going for tomorrow. That's all I got. See ya. Just remember that the dream works when you do, so keep dreaming, keep working. I'll see you the next time. And also like and subscribe and comment and stuff. Okay. Bye.